today. Alexandra, it's starting to rain! What? It's raining, it's raining, it's raining! Oh, good thing you have an umbrella. Oh, talking about rain, I think we should learn about rain. Let's go! I'm gone! Get the umbrella. Come on, let's get ready. I have an idea. Since rain comes from clouds, let's make a cloud. First, you're gonna need a jar. All you need to do is fill it with water for about 3/4, but that's not it. We're gonna use some shaving cream. Don't tell Bobby. Why not? Why not? Stop it. Wait, what? This is fun. I got these funny blue clouds. Why aren't they white? Wait, which way do I press? This way. Here. Let me just show you a bit. What the? More blue clouds? Here. Hey, now you try. Just squish this. I guess we're gonna have magical blue clouds, and we definitely need to switch this shaving cream because. Wait. Whoa, that is so cool. Wow. Can I have a bit of this one here? I want a bit of this. See what happens. I think it's gonna explode. Now that we have our clouds, we're gonna put food coloring to make rain and watch the magic. I want some pink magical rain. I'm gonna have some blue rain because that looks a bit like white clouds now that it's turning white. And that looks like the sky, and then that looks like it's over the ocean, I guess. What the? I wonder what happens. Wow. Drop after drop. Oops. Oop. 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 Is it raining in there? Yes, it's raining! Look! Oh my god! Oh my god! Now that you put food coloring, you have to wait. Slowly. Mine is ready to big. See? Okay, look at mine. Mine looks like raindrops. And yours looks like magic blasts, I think. But look on the top of mine. Ooh. Hey, that looks like a turtle standing up, and this looks like a big strong person. Wow. This looks so yummy. No, don't drink it, don't drink it. It's not whipped cream and juice. It's not whipped cream and juice. Hey. It's heavy. That's the juice. Now that we've done our experiment, let's learn about clouds and rain. Clouds are formed when water vapor rises up in the sky. When it hits the cold air, it starts moving around, and the vapors come together because it's not just one, it's billions. Then the more that comes together, the bigger they get until they start making a cloud. Then there is a bit too many, and it starts to rain. Because it's too heavy. I hope you enjoyed the experiment and learning about rain and clouds. Speaking of clouds, it's pouring rain. Oh my god, get an umbrella quick! No worries. No, careful. No worries. Oh, and before we go, please like and subscribe. Bye. Stand up. The end.